taking a moment to accept ourselves in the space and time that we're in. So if we can all close our eyes. And I'd like for all of you to just take a few deep breaths on your own time. And as you're thinking in yourself and taking these deep breaths, I want you to try to just start thinking about yourself standing in a field, an open field, somewhat tall grass, and trees all around you. And I want you to see these trees and breathe with them. Look at how they move. Feel how they sway. And I want you to just take a moment to just enjoy that moment. Every day, the earth is providing us an opportunity to breathe together, to see each other, to feel each other. Every day, the earth is giving us an opportunity to awaken and to revive and to revitalize. Every day is another opportunity to get in touch with the root of not only ourselves, but the root of this world, our main provider, our biggest support system. And just keep breathing and keep feeling yourself again in this space. And I want you to think about how you can provide and give more of yourself to the earth. Whether that's through taking walks, just feeling the air, whether that's sunbathing, whether that's dipping your toes in the ocean. I just want you to think about all the ways you can reconnect and revitalize yourself through the eyes of Gaia, through the eyes of this planet. It's a wonderful opportunity to feel your existence. Take another deep breath in. Yes, and take one more deep breath in. When you breathe out this time, let go any stress, anything that you've been holding on to. You don't have to hold on to it so tightly anymore because you're grounded and the earth is there to support you. Feel that earth beneath your feet and feel how it holds you, how it keeps you strong. Whenever you feel like you're just lost in the wind, always come back to that feeling in your feet, that feeling of your body, gravity pulling you down, right back into the root. And take one more deep breath. With that deep breath, let go of everything you don't need anymore. And if you want, you could shake it out a little. There you go. There you go. Y'all look so nice. Wow. Yes. Okay, Beth. I see that head roll. Yes. Luscious. Thank you, everybody. I'm going to pass it off to Megan Lee Joy.
Sid, that was so delicious. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I loved that concept of grounding into the earth when you need support, but also the idea of when you're feeling lost in the woods, that you could breathe with a tree. I just envisioned, like, oh, if I'm feeling scared and lost in the woods, metaphorically speaking, I can just, like, I can go hug a tree. I can go hug that tree.
And that
Mm.
tree will hug you back, okay?
Yeah.